This is an important time to have beer Chametz. What is Chametz? Chametz represents a form of bread. Bread is what man makes with the ingredients of nature. And so the word chita, which is what you make bread from, is gematria 22. And that's against the 22 letters with which man creates for himself an experience. But that experience can sometimes linger in our imagination, and really it's an experience from the past. It doesn't belong in our imagination. We shouldn't be cooking with it any longer. But it's still hanging out over there. It's still stuck in our imagination, and it's affecting the present. It's affecting the now. And so that's called Chametz. Chametz is when the dough lingers, when the imagination lingers, when the imagination is not fresh, is not present, is not clean. And so now, in the beginning of a new cycle of the zodiac, we have to clear out all the backlog, all the chametz, all the dough, all the words, all the emotions that are stuck in our system. And we want to start clean, we want to start fresh. If we're fresh and we use our emotions, we create relationships and associations that help us, that are good to us, that's fine. All year round we can eat chametz. But when we go into a new start, when we go into a new phase, then we clear out. And the negative we have to clear out constantly, so that it doesn't scratch the future. The person that HaKadosh Baruch Hu is happy with, you want it to be a person HaKadosh Baruch Hu is proud of, then this is the process, this is the procedure. Renew yourself. Tischadesh kaneshe ni'iraychi. Zacharti lo chesed ne'urayich. You have to wake up that freshness. You have to wake up that newness, as if you were just created. This is the first time you're breathing, and you're looking at your body, and you're looking at the world, and you're just in awe. You're in wonder. What just happened? How could this be? That's the only real response to reality. All the other responses we've practiced. That's why we know how to do them. But they're coming from our imagination. So based on memory, we've decided, okay, I've seen this so many times, I don't care. That's only the imagination that doesn't care. But if we forget our past and we see such a reality, the only legitimate response is complete awe, shock. How could this be? Can't be.